Welcome back to my channel Sign Knowledge Transfer. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go back and subscribe. Without any further delay, we shall move on to our topic. Today we are going to study about bryophytes, about its general characters, plant body, and sexual reproduction, and about the life cycle. So we shall start with that. This phylum belongs to the kingdom Plantae and it includes more than 25,000 species of small plants which are measuring from 0.5 cm to 60 cm long. Commonly, this phylum is called amphibians of the plant kingdom. The vegetative structure of this phylum is adapted to the land habit, however, they want water for the completion of sexual reproduction since the sperms swim by the water to reach the eggs. Bryophytes have thyroid green plant body and the plant body lacks true roots, leaves and stem. They show two phases in their life cycle, the gametophytic stage and sporophytic stage. The gametophytic plant body grows prostrate on the ground and is attached to the substratum by delicate unbranched unicellular rhizoids. However, in higher bryophytes, the plant possesses branched multicellular rhizoids. On the other hand, sporophytic plant body is differentiated into fruit, setae and calyptra or capsule, and the capsule produce haploid meiospores. In this phylum, the vascular tissues like xylem, phloem, and conducting tissues are absent. Bryophytes are examples for haplodiploidic life cycle and they show alternation of generation. If you wanna know more about haplodiploidic life cycle, then please watch out my previous video. Now let us study about the sexual reproduction in bryophytes. The sexual reproduction is oogamous type in bryophytes. The male reproductive organ is called antheridia and female reproductive organ is called archegonia. Antheridium produces sperms and archegonia produces egg. The sperms are biflagellate structures which swim through the water to reach the egg. All these reproductive structures are present in the gametophytic plant body and the fertilization takes place in the presence of water. The fertilized eggs is retained within the archegonium. It neither becomes independent of the parent gametophyte nor passes into the resting period. The zygote undergoes repeated division to form an undifferentiated multicellular structure called embryo. The embryo, by further division and differentiation, produces sporangium, which is sporophytic plant body, and it is dependent on gametophytic plant body. And that's it about the sexual reproduction in bryophytes. Now let us study about the life cycle and alternation of generation in bryophytes. Now let us assume there is a gametophytic plant body. In bryophytes, the gametophytic plant body is always haploid. It produces two types of gametes, the male gamete and female gamete. The male gamete swim through the water to reach the egg and fertilize the egg, and it produces zygote which is diploid. And the diploid sporophyte is semi-parasitic on gametophyte. And this diploid sporophyte by meiosis, that is reductional division, produce spores which is haploid, and these spores by mitosis give rise to gametophyte and the cycle continues. Like this, there is an alternation of generation with the haploid and diploid species, that is the gametophytic plant body and sporophytic plant body. Some of the common examples are Merchantia, Polytrichum, and Mosses, etc. And that's it for today. Please do like, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Sign Knowledge Transfer. Signing off.